Hi everybody, welcome to SEMO Outdoors. I'm Kevin. If you watch my channel, you'll know that I often take my boat out. And anyway, I've made a recent purchase. I am getting rid of the old Tohatsu motor that I have used in all my videos and replacing it with a new Suzuki motor, which I have not opened yet. So stick around, hopefully we'll be able to open this together, see what's in it. Okay, so I went ahead and chose to order the Suzuki DF6A S5. This is a 4-stroke Suzuki motor that is a 6 horsepower. I got it from online outboards.com. They are not sponsoring me in any way. I paid full price for this motor, but I just wanted to kind of do a video with it, and I have not opened it yet. See on the outside here, it comes with the limited warranty. It does have a 5-year warranty. Apparently has a warranty on the emission control, and then it comes with a notice here that basically says this comes with no oil in it. Make sure you check everything before you use it, blah, 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 blah. On the outside of the box here, I guess Cumberland Motorsports is who we bought it from. It says, caution here, do not overfill the engine. Damage can occur. Use 19 ounces of oil. So hopefully they provided the oil. If they didn't, I do have marine oil. We'll see if it's what it should be. But I'm gonna bust the box here. All right, folks, I've never done an unboxing video, so bear with me. I don't even know if I'll post this, but we'll see what's in here. Okay. Had a hole poked in the box here, but it doesn't look like it's done anything. Very nice. Ooh, pretty. Very, very pretty. Well, here it is. Very nice looking. So I'm going to get this thing up and out of here and put it on the boat, I guess. Before I do that, let's have a look in here. The prop is on. The motor, oh, here's the, okay, there's the arm for it. I like that, feels nice. Looks like it comes with a toolkit and a user's manual. Okay, let's set that aside, check that out. What else is in here? Okay, it's telling me needs oil again. Cool. Very good. All right, I really like the looks of this thing. This is a very nice looking motor. This is from the top here down is 17 inches, and they have this is what you call a short. So this motor both comes in short and long and extra long. Extra long would be like for a sailboat. Short is for John boats. Long would be for like a V-bottom boat. Anyway, I measured my transom and it said up to 19.5 inches you get the short. So my transom is 17 inches. I got the short. So Anyway, let me get this thing out of here and get her on the back of the boat. We'll see about putting some oil in it. All right, everybody, I have it mounted to the boat. It's on there good and tight. As you can see, this is very similar to the other one. This has an emergency shutoff. Has a kill switch, kill button. Fortunately, the external fuel tank connections are the same as the Tohatsu, so I don't even have to change that. It plugs right up. It's got dual locks here on the front and back. They seem a little cheap, but you know, one thing that impressed me about this is you see all these little blue and yellow dots everywhere here. That is all quality control. That is 2 people going around and double checking every connection, and they have done quite a bit of that. There's 2 fuel filters, one here, one here. The oil they've checked. It's got an oil window, which I like. This fuel tank is a 1/4 gallon and will, that says, run this motor at wide open throttle for 35 minutes before needing to be refueled. There's a adjustment on here to adjust the tension on this. As you can see, I can open this up and she comes back on its own. You can lock it, which I like. This also folds all the way back. I like that too. It's a nice motor. I'm going to put some oil in it and check the prop, the crankcase oil. They say it's already in there, but I have to add 19 ounces of oil to this, so I'll get that done. Maybe put some fuel in it. All right, everybody, I've got the oil in it and she's ready to go. I've got oil and fuel in there. So I'm excited to take it out. It has a 10-hour break-in period. I read up on that, and that's going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I'll follow the instructions and take her out and see if we can't get it going. Stand by. Okay, guys, I have her at the very lowest idle. According to the break-in period, I need to do this for a minimum of 5 minutes. As you can see, she's spitting water pretty good. It is at the lowest possible idle. And right now it's been going for 7 minutes. I'm just gonna let it go to 10. After that, you're supposed to put it on the lowest idle speed that it will go in gear for 15 minutes. So I think I'll take a nice trip around the lake. So far, so good. She's quiet. Nice. Very, very happy with it so far. So, all right, everybody. So the next part of, so according to the break-in, you have to start the motor and let it idle for a minimum of 5 minutes. I did that. I let it idle for almost 10 minutes, 9 minutes. After that, you're supposed to put it in gear and let it idle at the lowest setting it will run in gear for 15 minutes. So that is what I am doing right now. We're moving. She's as low as she'll go. You can see she got a little wobble to her, but quiet. Nice quiet motor. I'm really happy that it trolls this slow. So I'm going to troll around for about 15 minutes. It's a beautiful evening for this. Always make sure your motor's cooling. Wind's blowing me a little. Boy, it's hard to go this slow. You just want to open it up, but you can't do that. So I'm just gonna troll around nice and easy. She's doing real good. Runs quiet. A lot quieter than my other Tohatsu. I'll check back in when I can turn her up. All right, guys. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna love this motor. I am still going extremely. I'm at the lowest low. I've reached the, went 17 minutes with her on the slowest it could go in gear. And now I can run up to half throttle for the next 45 minutes. But I'm not doing that. I'm running, she's trucking pretty good. I mean, low. I'm just above idle. And so I'm gonna cruise around like this for a little while, just kind of explore the lake, enjoy the evening. She's spitting water good. I mean, it is, look where I have it set at. And I am trucking here. This is, I have a feeling this motor is gonna be considerably better than my last one. This motor is much quieter. I have it running literally like, it's actually below startup idle. And like I said, I'm gonna break this motor in very slowly. This evening I'm just gonna spend a little time just cruising and kind of windy on the lake here, so going around by the one of the campground areas here. It is not open for the season yet. All right, guys, I have just kicked it up a little bit above the line. It's moving pretty good. Good. This motor is going to be considerably faster than my last one for sure. Really happy with it so far. The Suzuki 6 4-stroke outboard, running like a champ so far. Very, very happy with it. Gotta watch where I'm going. Beautiful evening for this. It's pretty cool this evening. It's around 50 degrees. Water temperature is pretty cool. I figure that's good for the break-in of this thing. So far, let's see. We've been running over 30 minutes now. I'm just gonna run at this speed for a while. I really like this feature here. I can lock the throttle where I want it, and actually, everything's adjustable. So I can run hands-free with this thing. It works pretty good. Well, everybody, we're at almost 1 hour break-in time, 15 minutes at lowest idle troll, and I'm at 40 minutes. I should be at 45 of running it below half throttle. And I'll be honest, I haven't even really gone past quarter throttle. But the sun's going down, and I'm gonna bring it in. Look here. runs good. What I like about this motor is I can pull it right down to the just trolling. Absolute trolling. Which is really, really cool. Really cool. My last motor would not do this. So I'm not wanting to push it. I'm enjoying the evening. Sun's going down though, so I think I'm gonna head back to the boat dock. They also want, after you've been running it, I might crank it up a little on the way back, but after you've run it, when you get back to like the boat dock, you should let it idle for 5 minutes, so before shutting it down, and I will do that. Beautiful evening for this. Just spectacular. I'm the only one on the lake. Real nice. We'll turn it up a little. That water pretty good. I have to keep it no more than this. I can maybe go a little more, but no more than this for at least another hour. I won't do all that this evening. I'm gonna head into the sunset. I gotta tell you guys, I love the way this motor runs. I mean, it is a good, that's the problem I had with the Tohatsu. It just wouldn't spit the water like that. But this thing runs like a dream. First initial run, love it, love it. We'll put her on the trailer here. Okay guys, well, it's getting dark on me here. The Suzuki 6 horsepower outboard 4-stroke motor, I gotta say, I love it. The only thing I regret about this motor is that I didn't buy it sooner. It runs smooth, it's quiet, it pushes the boat nice. I really haven't got a chance to open it up because it's in the brake. This was the very first initial taking it out, you know. But I gotta say, I love it. It is quiet. It starts right up, it ran good, it trolls at a nice slow speed. Very easy to control, very easy to put it in and out of gear, forward, reverse. It seems like it's made quality, and it seems like they really did a good job doing quality control before shipping it. And you can see that they really took care to do that. So far, love it. You'll see more videos with it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe. Please hit the like button. Thank you very much, and I will see you again soon.